Hello, welcome back to our channel TNB Academy. In today's video, we are going to talk about Clause 8 of ISO 15189, Management System Requirements. This clause ensures that a medical laboratory follows a systematic approach to management, focusing on both quality and patient safety. So let's get started. Overview of Clause 8. The main focus of Clause 8 is to maintain and improve the management system so that the lab can consistently deliver high-quality services. Clause 8 is divided into two options. Option A, Management System Requirements as defined in ISO 15189. Option B, based on ISO 9001 Quality Management Principles. Most medical laboratories follow Option A, which includes all the necessary requirements within ISO 15189 itself. Key components of Clause 8. Let's now look at the key elements of this clause. 8.2 Management Responsibility. Lab management is responsible for ensuring that there is an effective management system, clear policies, and defined quality objectives. They must also ensure adequate resources are available and that the staff is competent and well-trained. 8.3 Quality Policy and Objectives. The laboratory must have a documented quality policy that aligns with its mission and vision. Objectives should be measurable, like turnaround time, error rates, or customer satisfaction levels. 8.4 Planning. Planning involves defining how the quality system will be implemented and improved. It ensures that changes to the system are well managed and controlled. 8.5 Responsibility and Authority. Roles and responsibilities of all staff members should be clearly defined and documented. This avoids confusion and promotes accountability. 8.6 Management Review. Regular management review meetings must be conducted. These reviews include previous audits, customer feedback, non-conformities, and opportunities for improvement. The goal is continuous improvement. 8.7 Internal Audits. Internal audits help assess whether the lab's quality system is functioning as per ISO 15189 requirements. They should be periodic and impartial, conducted by trained internal auditors. 8.8 Corrective and Preventive Actions, that is CAPA. When a non-conformity is found, corrective action must be taken to fix the issue. Additionally, preventive action should be implemented to avoid recurrence of similar problems. 8.9 Continual Improvement. The laboratory must continuously monitor and improve its management system by using data analysis, customer feedback, and innovation. This keeps the lab competitive and focused on quality. So, Clause 8 Management System Requirements acts like the backbone of a medical laboratory. It ensures that the lab not only delivers accurate test results, but also maintains a responsible and sustainable quality system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video with another important clause from ISO 15189. Until then, take care and stay quality driven. Thank you.